This next point creation video is regarding right here, point offset from lines. So if I tap this guy, let me pull up the menu first so you get the idea. So again, you can do control points or layout points. You always have this option. And up here at the top, you have the name. You can name whatever point you want to call it, and as it goes, it's going to go increase in intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now down here under the offset, I'll show you what this means. Let me tap a line. Here's my line. So to explain what this is doing, you have your endpoint here, and it's offsetting the endpoint 2 feet, and then it goes every 2 feet, adding a point at that exact same offset. Now, the reason it doesn't put a point at the top here is because it can't finish it off, because it can't get an exact 2 feet to finish it off. But essentially, that's all you're doing. You're taking this line and segmenting it at 2 foot intervals, and it separates it as an offset over here. One of the frustrating features is, as of now, that's probably going to get fixed, is that I wish it would just close the line off. It doesn't do that, so just be aware of that. But it's, it's nice for, like, if I have an arc down here, it'll do it for the arc. I can offset the arc. I can offset, so you can, if you ever need to do arc offsets and things like that, you can do it very easily. Let me uncheck this so you can see this. So I can even, let me increase my interval, only 1 foot intervals. See how that works? So in this case, it gets pretty close to the end, but I know that's not the end, unfortunately. So just be aware of that. There's ways to work around that by, well, let me give you an example. So if, let's say, you do need the endpoint, but you also want to segment the offsets, let's have this line. What you can do is, let me save these points. Remember, it's a 2 foot offset. So now I just come over here, go to my offset. Well, I got to put a point up here first. Tap this right there. Let's save that. And then I'll basically offset that 1 point, 1 foot. Is it an easy offset? No. But I can at least just say go over 1 foot. Oh, 2 feet, I mean, sorry. And now I can save that, and now I have the end. But just figured I'd show you that. There's a few things that you can do there, but that is how you do lines with offset points.